Hi guys, happy new year everyone. Happy new year to my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always keeping up with me. In this video I want to share with you a cleansing that you have to do this January before this month ends, so that you stop hardship in your life, you stop delays, you stop all the negativity, all the witchcraft. There is a lot that has happened in 2024 and you don't want to move with it in 2025 to keep you backwards. This is what you have to do. I'm going to be telling you a very powerful spiritual work that works fast and it's going to help you. You have to do it and see what is going to happen to your life. Your life will change immediately this year 2025. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and there is also the notification bell. You have to click on that so that you'll be the first one to watch my videos anytime I upload. Also, I do not request money from anyone, so kindly stay away from scammers. Okay, so you guys, like I said, I want you to do this powerful spiritual work. It's very simple but works fast. It works more than anything. You guys know that on this channel I always share about spiritual works, cleansing, whatever, and that has worked for a lot of people. And if you want this to work for you fast, this is what you have to do. But before that, you have to be clean in your heart. Do not offend people and then come and do this. No, it's not going to work that way. First you have to pray. This is going to work for everyone. It does not matter your religion, as long as you have belief and faith that this is going to work for you. It will work for you in Jesus' name. Okay, this is the Aiden field. This is what you have to look for. It's not common everywhere, but I know it's sold in spiritual marketers or local marketers. So that is where you have to find this Aiden field. Once you get it, look for sea salt. Sea salt, and get very hot water. You can decide to break this into pieces. Okay, you can break it into pieces and then add very hot water plus sea salt mixed in it. Cook that until it's very boiled. Okay, very boiled. You have to do this early January. You see this video, it's very helpful. It's going to be helpful to you who has watched it before January. That's why I emphasize everyone to do a cleansing of yourself, to get rid of all the negativity, to get rid of all the evil eyes, the bad dreams, the bad thoughts, the bad enemies, bad friends. Through cleansing, you get to avoid a lot of bad things. Yes, cleansing that's not only or drive away evil eyes or whatever, it also prevents you from attracting evil people, evil friends. Whatever comes to your way, whatever comes to your home, as long as it's evil or it contains witchcraft, exists people using your name into things like that, okay, black magic, whatever. This, once you do cleansing, you're all clean, and you have to do cleansing at least once a month. Okay, time to time you have to keep on cleansing, keeping yourself clean, and also praying. Consider prayers. Always consider God into your prayers. Put him into consideration and he will work for you. So guys, like I said, you are going to boil that. Bring all that to boil. So you are going to look for rose water into a nearby supermarket. Rose water is the water that smells good. So you have to mix that into that water you are going to bath. As you are bathing that, do not forget to say your wishes. Do not forget to say your prayers. Do not forget to say anything about yourself, to say good things about yourself. And trust me, that is going to change your life for good. It's going to change your life. In year 2025, you want to see a difference. You don't want to cry about problems. You have to include this. This Aiden field is not just a field, it's a spiritual field that is used for cleansing. So you have to cleanse yourself from all the problems using this Aiden field. It's very powerful. I recommend you to go through spiritual markets, national markets, whatever, local markets. That is where you're going to find this Aiden field. Please use it for cleansing and you see how it works very fast. Do not dry yourself with a towel. Do not dry yourself with a towel after doing that spiritual work. Let the hair dry you. Mainly, do not forget to say your wishes. Your life is going to change. Year 2025 is going to be a whole different story. If you have suffered in 2024, 2025 is going to be your year. So please watch this video and do this cleansing. Find the Aiden fruit and use it how I've said. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and tell them how to cleanse themselves.